Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hello, welcome. My name is Natasha. It's fantastic to have you here. Today we are unboxing and flipping through the Healing Oracle Crystal Reading Cards by Rachelle Charman. So this is exciting. This is published by Sterling Ethos, and it is $19.95. So for this price, I'm quite excited for another crystal deck. Embark on a journey to a deeper place of love and inspiration with these crystal reading cards and helpful book. This unique set contains 56 cards, all with exquisite photos of many of the world's most powerful crystals, which can be used as tools for personal transformation and healing. You can choose to use the cards and book together to gain energy from the crystals, or you can choose to seek guidance and direction from the cards. More powerfully, you can use them for both. It's up to you. Your deepest questions will be addressed with clarity as you open yourself up to healing. So I am excited. It looks beautiful. So the packaging is fantastic already. There's a little magnet to flip it open. It doesn't have a ribbon. All right. Ooh, look at that guidebook. That is thick. All right. And here are the cards. So the packaging is concise, to the point. There's not a lot extra going on, which is fantastic. And then we have the cards here. Get rid of that plastic. All right, so let's just go through this guidebook real fast to see what we've got. We've got intro to crystals, activating and caring for your deck, how to work with it, how to do reading, reading cards for someone else, working with your own intuition, and working with the crystal divas, D-E-V-A-S, divas. All right, then we have 4 layouts or spreads. And then, so those are healing spreads. Okay, and then we have divine guidance spreads. So we have 4 of those. Oh my gosh, that's awesome. And then it goes into the cards. All right, this is fantastic. I wanted to take a look at how to work with the Crystal Oracle. This is what I wanted to see. You can use the cards as a personal tool, or you may like to offer a reading and healing to another. The deck is made up of 52 crystal cards and 4 master teacher cards. When you pull a master card, you are invited to give extra attention to what it is sharing with you because it acts as a key of wisdom that will greatly assist you in your life. That's good to know. It's important that before each reading, you take the time to cleanse your deck. Simply set the intention and tap the deck 3 times to clear the energy. You could also work with a clear quartz or a piece of selenite to clear and purify your deck. Ground and center yourself and take a short moment to light a candle and create a sacred space. Okay. Call upon your guides and the crystal divas, D-E-V-A-S. Burn some sage for cleansing and take yourself through a short meditation. Okay, so basically it's telling you how to do a reading too. So that's fantastic. All right. And then look at all these little layouts. Okay, so for $19.95 so far, I am feeling this deck. It's not color in here, but that is fine. There's no need for a color deck. It's just aesthetic at that point. All right, let's get into the cards. This is the back. The cards themselves, the stock is a little thin, but it's not bad. There is a little bit of a gloss. Ooh. Okay, I love that it gives you the name of what it is and then what to focus on with this card. So that is awesome. Oh, that card got a little ick on the bottom of it. That's all right. Look at that. Okay, I'm already telling you I'm feeling this deck. Love it. I feel like I have this stone somewhere. This is already a different crystal deck to me than the other ones that I have in my arsenal. So that is great to see too. So you can totally use these as flashcards. You can use this for a card pull a day for journaling. You can definitely use these as an oracle as it is. Master teacher card. That's cool that it is noted up there. Very, very cool. Emotional healing. I am loving this deck. I don't know why, but like it's an instant connection. Love it. Oh, I'm excited. The colors pop too. The photographs of the crystals are awesome. I love that it gives you a keyword down there. So very beginner friendly. And if you were trying to learn about crystals and what ones to use, this is a great flashcard deck for that as well. Beautiful. Ooh, hey, crocoit. See, I'm just horrible with pronunciation. You would think that for someone who got all A's in English throughout her life, that I would have better pronunciation. But no, I tell you, as you get older through the years, things start happening. I am thrilled with this so far. For $19.95, yes. Fairy stone, oh. You know, the gloss is not too bad, as you can tell by the ring light there, the light. It's not terrible. Fluorite, I love me some fluorite. There's a lot of different crystals in here than other decks I have as well. So that's great that there's a new variety too to use, to go through. I love the different colors of the card backgrounds. Oh, labradorite is gorgeous. So is lapis lazuli. I'm kind of going a little fast just because there's not much to look at. Moonstone, gotta love me a moonstone. Beautiful. I'm really excited about this. So I will link in the description box where you can purchase this deck, where I found it actually. I'll link them down there, and that I know of. We'll say that because my words come out perfectly every time. But I'm not affiliated. I'm not sponsored. I just want you guys to find what you're looking for. And, you know, if you connect with this deck, there you go. Instant links. I did the work for you. Oh, love selenite. So good. Break them chains. Master teacher card. That's really cool. Ooh, tanzanite. I think the mines for the tanzanite have been closed for a few years now, right? Let me know if you know down in the comments. It's a rare stone now, and it's like uber expensive. Pink tourmaline. All right, let's see how it shuffles. Ooh. That was user error. Yeah, it shuffles great. The card stock is snapping back just great. Look at that. There's no bend in it. Fantastic. And so hopefully a card wants to be read. It'll pop out and then we'll read it. And there we go. We got two. Well, look at that. It's tanzanite. We were just talking about it. Funny how that works. All right. Maybe the book will tell us whether or not those mines are closed. All right, anyway, shuffle's great. The cardstock is back to its original state of being. So that's fantastic to see. All right, tanzanite, clarity. Love it. Okay, so I did see that they had a table of contents. So that is great too. Since it's not numbered, you can go to the table of contents here and find your page number. But it is in alphabetical order, which is fantastic. That helps the process out immensely. All right, so crystal color, range of translucent to opaque purplish blue. The related chakra is the third eye. The crystal medicine, it says this exquisite crystal assists in the cleansing and opening of the third eye chakra, expanding your awareness and creating a deep sense of clarity. The deep violet hues of the tanzanite penetrate deeply into your psyche, awakening intuition and spiritual sight on a very deep level. Place this crystal on your third eye and breathe this potent medicine into your chakra. It's time to see clearly and feel a sense of clarity in your world. All right, then we have crystal meaning here. Opens you to your spiritual wisdom and sharing this knowledge from the heart. Opens and activates the third eye chakra, enhancing clarity, vision, and imagination. Assists in communicating with higher aspects of self, creating a deep knowing and wisdom, and allows you to see with clarity. All right, then we have your oracle reading message from the crystal Diva, D-E-V-A. Just want to make sure you guys aren't thinking it's the I'm a diva version, the D-I-V-A. You have called this powerful card into your existence today to share with you that the essence of clarity is now upon you. When you attain clarity, you get to see things exactly how they are with no confusion or delusion. Clarity can bring many blessings, allowing you to see deeply into situations and experiences and receive direction, wisdom, and knowledge. If you have been feeling a sense of confusion and have not been able to see through the fog of the mind, know that this time is coming to an end and clarity is here. Tanzanite is shining its medicine into your third eye. Open and receive this powerful energy. Feel it opening your chakra and bathing you in its essence of clarity. It is time to see clearly into situations that may have been clouding your judgment as you connect deeply with your own intuition and guidance. The time of confusion is over and the divas are shining. Divas, I hope I'm saying it right, goodness sake, are shining the violet light of Tanzanite your way, illuminating your path so you can see clearly again. Ask that the light transmutes all your confusion and mind clutter. Feel it moving out of your aura, leaving you feeling radiant, cleansed, and cleared. And enjoy the clarity that is now manifesting in your life. Okay, so I'm excited about this deck. I love it. I love everything about it. I love that it's positive. And then look at, there's runes going on here. I love that too. The fact that it gives you so much information is fantastic. This is 56 cards. However, it retails for $19.95. Like, I feel that you're getting a lot for your money here. So I highly suggest, if you're into both oracles and crystals, to have this in your arsenal, to check it out, because it's very beginner friendly. It gives you a ton of information, not just about the crystal itself, but like how to use it in your day to day. And it gives you that oracle message as well. So, I mean, I feel like it's fantastic. For $19.95, I am not complaining. I feel that any level, this is fantastic. It gives you a huge variety of different crystals that maybe some other decks don't have. So that's great too. But again, $19.95. I am not hating this at all. Like Boji stones, like I have not seen that in another deck. Petrified wood, I haven't seen that in another deck. Maybe I have, I don't know. But point being is, like, there's variety in here. I feel like it is very positive. I feel like it's very gentle, and it's great for any level. So I am curious to know what you think. Let me know down in the comment section. Do you own this deck already? Are you like excited about it? Has it been on your wish list? Let me know your thoughts and opinions down in the comment section. And as always, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate everyone being here. It's been exciting lately. I've been seeing a lot of new faces down in my comments, and I'm loving it. So welcome again. And as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell on your way out of this video. That way you'll never miss an upload from me. All right, everyone, have a fantastic rest of your day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.